Lime opens up the hide's structure so tanning agents can enter more easily.
Welcome inside the world of modern leather production, where raw hide begins its journey toward becoming premium material.
At the receiving dock, hides are unloaded and inspected to determine initial quality. Each hide is stored in controlled conditions to prevent early decomposition. Technicians examine every hide to evaluate its potential for premium leather. Advanced scanners grade hides with precise digital accuracy. Based on the scan results, hides are sorted into categories for specialized processing. The washing phase begins by removing salt, dirt, and debris. Water agitation softens the hide and prepares the fibers for chemical treatment. Fleshing removes unwanted tissue, leaving a cleaner, more workable surface. The machine's precision ensures no damage occurs to the fibrous layer. Multiple preparation stages work together to stabilize the raw material. Hydration makes hides flexible and ready for chemical processing. Removing leftover salt ensures chemical reactions remain consistent. In these drums, chemicals loosen hair follicles and soften fibers. Agitation and chemistry combine to strip away the outer hair layer. Precise pH control ensures the hides respond correctly to treatment. Modern tanneries use digital control rooms to maintain perfect process balance. Automated dosing allows accurate chemical distribution.
The processed hides flow through sealed pipelines to the tanning stage.
Lime opens up the hide's structure so tanning agents can enter more easily.
Continuous motion ensures uniform chemical penetration. Weight and thickness changes indicate reaction progress. Neutralization stabilizes the hide before tanning begins.
At this point, the hide is fully prepared for tanning.
Large-scale facilities handle thousands of hides with consistent precision. Chrome tanning permanently preserves the hide and prevents decay. Tanning agents lock into the fiber structure, strengthening the material. Robotic handling ensures even tanning without overstressing the material. Rotation allows tanning solution to reach every fiber.
Drying stabilizes the leather after chemical bonding. As the hide dries, natural grain characteristics appear.
Compression reduces moisture content before further refinement. Vacuum drying speeds up water removal without damaging fibers. Early quality checks ensure tanning was successful. Mechanical action softens leather and improves flexibility. Coloring begins with precise preparation of dye mixtures.
The hide absorbs pigments that give each leather its final tone.
Advanced cutting systems maximize usable surface area. Embossing adds decorative texture and increases value.
Polishing enhances shine and smoothness. Partie d'éclaireur bag.
UV coating strengthens the surface against wear.
Automated cameras detect imperfections instantly.
Trimming removes uneven borders for cleaner final sheets. Texturing adjusts the final touch and flexibility. Each sheet receives an identifying production mark. Human judgment remains crucial for premium-grade leather. Finished leather is packaged to prevent damage during transport.
Palletizing prepares shipments for distribution worldwide.
The warehouse holds final inventory ready for shipment.
Packed leather is loaded carefully for long-distance transport. Shipments depart for manufacturers around the world. The facility operates tirelessly to meet global demand.
And that completes the journey, from rawhide to refined leather.
Behind every sheet lies a precise blend of technology and craftsmanship.
Stay with us for more behind-the-scenes industrial journeys.
Even after hours, the factory maintains essential environmental cycles.
Equipment goes through cooling cycles to prepare for the next day.
Night inspections ensure operational safety at all times.
The modern tannery stands as a fusion of tradition and innovation. This is where raw nature becomes refined craftsmanship.